How to find Coinbase promo code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your Coinbase promo code. So without any further ado, let's just begin. First, what you'll want to do is open up a web browser. Any web browser you use is fine. I will be using Safari. After you open up your web browser, search for promo code, that is your Coinbase promo code, and you'll find a lot of sites. The one I use the most is Coupon Follow. You can directly search for Coupon Follow too. And then after you open Coupon Follow, you can simply type in Coinbase here. But since we used, we already typed in Coinbase on the browser itself, so it gives me this right here. So these are the promo codes that you can use on your Coinbase. You can see $15 off, 10% off, and so much more. So let me just click on one. So I just click on the 10% discount one. So here just copy the promo code and it will redirect you to your Coinbase, and you can simply use this coupon code or promo code on your Coinbase. And that is basically it for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.